Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by capturing what makes your voice unique: rhythm, favorite phrases, and sentence length. Once you have 5-10 real samples, extract recurring patterns and flag words you always use. Make sure to pick a base model and set sampling controls like temperature and max tokens so responses stay predictable. Then create a short instruction template that tells the model who you are, what to avoid, and how formal to be. Begin with a simple prompt and iterate immediately to see differences. Once done with the foundation, teach the model your nuances through guided examples. Provide 8 to 12 concise prompt response pairs that demonstrate typical scenarios and label each with tone and structure notes. Make sure to highlight rhetorical devices you prefer, like rhetorical questions or short declarative sentences. Use few-shot prompting or progressive fine-tuning to bake those patterns in, testing after each batch. If the output drifts, adjust sampling and add counterexamples to correct undesired habits. You finish by stress testing with 20 varied prompts, scoring each output against your voice criteria: tone, vocabulary, and pacing. If performance lags, tweak the instruction template, lower temperature, or inject targeted examples that correct specific mistakes. Make sure to keep a change log so you can revert tweaks. If things go wrong, persistent errors, or hallucinations, add clear counterexamples showing wrong versus right responses. That single technique often flips model behavior back to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.